Thanks for tuning in to campusweatherservice.com on this February 22nd, 2013. I'm student meteorologist Jackie Layer here with your forecast for this pretty dreary Friday. Right now here in Happy Valley, we do have those clouds lowering over the tops of the mountains out in the distance, and that's associated with that system that's going to be coming through as you go into the rest of the afternoon. And those temperatures right now are sitting at 28 degrees, but it really feels like 18 degrees here in State College because those winds are picking up. They're right around 11 miles per hour here at this hour. Now those temperatures across the state are staying relatively moderate, 28 degrees here in State College, a little bit warmer off towards the west, 30 in Pittsburgh, and even a little bit warmer along the lake shores of Erie, but the warm spots are off towards the east, right around 34 degrees in Philadelphia and even hitting 34 up in Scranton as well. But there's temperatures across the United States. We do have this cold pocket of air off towards the Midwest, but what I was looking at is this warm blip of air down in Kentucky and even into Tennessee, and even that cold that's in front of it, and that's associated with a system that's going to be making its way towards our region as we go into the rest of the weekend, even into today as well. We have this low pressure system situated over the Twin Cities, and that has a cold front associated with it expanding all the way down into Atlanta and even into the panhandle of Florida. That's bringing some severe weather down there, but it's bringing us some sleet and even snow as we go into the rest of the weekend and even into the rest of this afternoon. So what we're going to be expecting as we are at the radar satellite right now, we do have bands of snow coming into the region, but even some rain making its way into the region as well. That sleet is actually behind it, and that's going to be right over Franklin, even into Erie as well right now at this hour. But right now we do have that winter weather advisory set in place from now even into Saturday morning. So if you are heading out anywhere, please take some precaution. Definitely bring your snow scraper in your car and even maybe some blankets in the car just in case if you need it, if your car were to break down. But also, we do have winter weather advisories in the Lehigh Valley and even into the southern Poconos and even into northern Jersey. So if you are heading into that region, definitely take some precaution as well. So how much snow and sleet are we going to be expecting? The great bands of snow and sleet will be right around dinner time here in State College and for much of the middle of Pennsylvania. But as we go into the rest, it's going to be minor bands of snow as you go into Friday night, even into Saturday, but much of the eastern part of Pennsylvania will be seeing a big band of rain and even some snow as you go into Saturday morning. Much of the rain will be sticking around the Lehigh Valley, more in the way of snow as you go into Scranton and even into the northern Poconos. As you go into Saturday night, though, that system will move off the coast. Much in the way of clouds as we go into the rest of Saturday night. And then as you go into Sunday, high pressure will set in, and only some lake effect showers will be affecting some of the region as we go into Sunday night. So now here's, for today's forecast at least, those temperatures will stay right around the lower 30s for much of the area, a little bit more warmer as we go into the afternoon for Pittsburgh and even along the lake shores of Erie, but we will have some wintry mix and mostly cloudy conditions as we go into the rest of tonight. Now for the eastern part of Pennsylvania, right around the mid to upper 30s with some increasing clouds from the west. That wintry mix won't be making its way into the region until we get into tonight. That's when we're going to be seeing increasing clouds, and those temperatures will be right around the freezing mark. Going into tonight's forecast as well for western Pennsylvania, those clouds will thicken, and that snow and mixture precipitation will eventually move out towards the east. So we're going to be seeing more in the way of wintry mix early on, and then as we go into the rest of the night, those showers will taper off. Now going into tomorrow's forecast, mostly cloudy, some afternoon snow showers associated with lake effect as well. Temperature is right around 40 degrees, a little bit cooler up towards the north. Going into tomorrow's forecast for the eastern part of Pennsylvania, it's going to be warming up into almost the mid-40s for much of the area in eastern part of Pennsylvania. Now for your 7-day forecast for here in State College, wintry mix for Friday and Saturday. That sun will pop back into our forecast for the end of the weekend with a high of 37. That sun will remain in our forecast for Monday. But as we go into Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, that's when another disturbance will enter the region, and we're going to be seeing more in the way of a chance of rain and snow showers going into the rest of the week. Thanks again for tuning in to campusweatherservice.com. I'm student meteorologist Jackie Layer. Have a great day.